Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. We will try to see the trading behavior of these instruments along with the entry points and the targets. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And the next video will be up just before the Asia session, which will decide the direction. So press the bell icon, stay tuned with the latest analysis. Daily twice I provide the same. Now let's have a look at the gold. Gold earlier in the day has seen a low at around 1886 levels, breaking below the critical support at 1890. Now look at this, it has already seen a high in this 4-hour charts. You can see earlier seen a drop. Now this candle is trying to break out and trading above the support here at 1895 again. However, once it breaks below 1895, you can again go short, and this time the break could be further sharp. So see, two candles creating a step. Now again it breaks below 1895. You can see a sharper drop which will try to take it towards 1880 levels, and in fact it will drop further hard if it goes below that. On the upside, there is a definite resistance at 1910 levels. 4-hour stochastic looking upwards. MACD has just crossed over and it is trading in a buy side white divergent, indicating it is bullish here, but I will be cautious till the time it remains below 1910. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, this is a reversal probably, but a breakout, however, not failing to sustain above 1910 levels that I'll be looking for. It has to go past 1910 for a confirmation of a bull here, but one can go short for 1995 for sure, 1895 for sure. 3-hour stochastic looking upwards. MACD is still on buy side and white divergent here. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, this is the second green candle and this is also coming out of this channel, so probably trying to break out. However, look at this, pivoted at around 1897. It is trying to give you lower lows and higher highs, so I'll be watchful of this. Any break below 1895 will be a good level to go short, and till the time it remains below 1903.5, I'll be cautious for the longs here. And look at the 2-hour charts looking upwards. MACD is still running in green and running parallel there. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, this probably is trying to give you a reversal candle, and hence if you see it trading below 1895 any point of time, go short. It is going to give you a good breakout, higher highs, so lower lows. 1880 is going to be the target. Go short at 1895, 1880 is the target. That is the verdict here. And a long entry is only above 1910 levels. Once you see it trading above 1910, so why I am saying so, see at 1910 this candle will be again green and then it will try to achieve 1920 levels. So I'll be watchful at 1910 levels. Look at the daily stochastic. This is oversold and yes, it is still in buy. Probably it has to go green and I will be watchful of 1910 levels. If it goes beyond 1910, we can see a good rise. Now look at the daily stochastic. MACD, daily MACD, it is white divergent and is still in sell, and it can further increase. That is what is possible, because see the height here is not very much and probably we may be looking forward to a, so stochastic and MACD giving a opposite indication, and probably we have to be cautious. But yes, if it drops below 1895, you can go short there, and there is a support here at 1891 100 period moving average. Already it has breached this once, failed to sustain. Below that we can expect 1888 and then it will try to hit 1880 levels, and in fact below that we may see a sharper drop. So till the time it remains below 1910, and we have to be cautious between 1895 and 1910. Don't take a position in between these 15 points. Any rise above 1910, you can go long there. One can expect 1915, 1920, 1922 levels. That is a target. Below 1895, 1890, 1888, then 1880 is the target. This time it is going to hit 1880 levels for sure if it continues to drop below 1888 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100 on the hourly charts. Probably after this retracement, this is the reversal probably, and this is also reversal probably. It is trying to give a couple of reversal candles. That is why we have seen a sharp red candle. Now if it drops below 13,000 levels again, and specifically 12,970, we can see a sharper drop again, which will try to take it towards 12,800 levels. I will be cautious. Those were the levels I had shared in my weekly analysis, that NASDAQ 100 might try to hit 12,800, 12,700 zone. So it has already achieved 12,800 yesterday. Very sharp drop, but every sharp drop comes with a minor retracement. However, if you look at the daily charts, I'll come back to that. But now looking at the stochastic on the daily hourly charts, it is looking downwards and it is still on sell. MACD is trying to converge and crossover for a sell side, so I'll be watchful for a long here. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, similarly 2-hour stochastic is overbought. Also there is a reversal confirmation on the 2-hour charts. With that we have seen a drop. Once it drops below 13,000, we can expect 12,970. We can expect further drop also. 2-hour stochastic was also overbought. There is a crossover on MACD, but it can cross over again on the sell side. RSI looking downwards here. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour charts, reversal here. After this reversal, there is a breakout. Higher lows it is trying to create. If it breaks below 13,000, one can go short. One can expect a sharper drop again below 13,000 levels. And if you look at the 3-hour stochastic, it is also near to overbought. MACD is trying to converge and cross over on sell side, but this candle is trying to refrain it from that. Any long entry, any entry to buy is only above 13,150 levels. Beyond 13,150, it is a clear cut buy. We can go long there. And if you look at the 4-hour charts also, this is a retracement, and after the retracement, this is first red candle. Probably it may try to achieve this zone at least at 13,900 before 12,900 before it tries to bounce back, and in fact can go back till towards 12,800 and below levels. This time the drop could be further sharp, which will try to take it towards 12,720, 12,740 levels. Look at the 4-hour charts, lower highs, and hence I'll be watchful of 13,200. If it breaks 13,200, this is a case of certain long. Stochastic looking upward, still in buy. MACD is still on sell and it is still red. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart the candle is green, but yes, it is trying to form the wick out there. This is the first candle after this minor green retracement, first red candle, and probably now if it breaks 12,970, we can see a sharper drop. However, look at this, it is trading near to the Bollinger Bands, near to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, which might provide a little support at around 12,900, 12,850 levels, and below that we can expect a sharper drop which might take it towards. So if it breaks 12,800 today, we may see a sharper drop, and we will be looking forward to 12,700 levels, and below that also is very much possible. So yes, go short below 12,970. That is what is apparent here. Look at the MACD, stochastic has just crossed over, still on buy side, is still looking upwards. I'll be watchful. MACD is still on sell here. MACD is white divergent and strongly bearish out there. RSI near to oversold zone. So considering this, let me tell you, or let me give you the trading levels for the day. So when we talk about a long entry, only long entry I see is at around 13,200. If it breaks 13,200, very wide gap, but yes, because there is so much of bearishness here, I'll recommend you to go long only above 13,200. Beyond that, that is a definite confirmation to remain long, and the target is going to be 13,330, 13,400. This is going to be a stronger resistance for US100. I don't expect that this is going to break, but if it breaks 13,400, the next target is 13,480 levels. Beyond that is sky is the limit. It can rise sharply. Beyond that, we can expect 13,600 also. But take your positions accordingly. One can remain long after 13,200. The support or the stop loss has to be at around 13,000 levels, and the entry to go long is at around 12,970. While see, the volatility is increasing and the no trade zone is also increasing. One can go short below 12,970. The target is 12,900, 12,860 rather, and then it will try to go back till towards 12,800. Very strong support. Breaking this, one can expect 12,720, and then below that also we can see a sharper fall which will try to take it towards 12,600, and in fact below that also sky is the limit. Anything is possible, but largely in between these 230 points we have to exercise a little bit of caution. Once it breaks 12,970, one can expect that it is definitely trying to go towards 12,900, 12,850 levels at least before it looks forward to a rise. Even if it has to retrace on the upside, it may try to drop first and then try to retrace back on the upside. So I'll be cautious. And yes, we have seen one large candle, and hence I will expect couple more red candles. So today again it may trade bearish, and we can expect 12,800, 12,600 levels, 700 levels also if it continues to break today. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30. US30 on the hourly charts, higher lows is what it is trying to create here, and you can see this is the reversal candle after this minor rise. This is where we have seen this drop, and now it is trying to bounce back again. There is a little resistance at 33,500, rather I will say 33,550 levels. If it breaks 33,550, we can expect 33,600. 650 is the definite resistance. Beyond 33,600, one can expect it to go back till towards 33,720 levels. Whether it will happen or not, we have to look at this. There is a support at around 33,450 and 400 zone. So yes, breaking 33,400, we can expect a sharper drop. The hourly stochastic was overbought. Now looking downwards, MACD is in green, trying to converge and cross over on itself, and RSI is near to oversold. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts similarly, minor retracement and then a drop here. Now trying to again bounce back. There is a definite resistance at around 33,650 levels. If it breaks this, then 33,700 is going to be a larger resistance. 33,720 is going to be a larger resistance. Beyond that only you can expect that that is a reversal and it is going to rise high. 2-hour stochastic is overbought, and now on a sell side, MACD is still on green and running parallel, is still bullish. If you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, after this it is trying to give you a reversal here. The resistance at 33,650 is to be watched out of for. Lower lows have already been done, and if it breaks 33,400, we can see a sharper fall. This time it is going to go till towards 33,000 levels. And yes, let's also have a look at the indicators there. And if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. MACD is still in green, but just two candles after the crossover running parallel. It's RSI looking downwards from here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, yes, 4-hour charts breaking 33,650, one can expect, see, the body size is increasing here, and here also it may try to give you a further bigger body size, so almost 100. So it can try to go back till towards 33,800, 33,950 levels. These levels are going to be largely a strong resistance. So if you see it trading beyond 33,650, you can go long 33,800, and 33,950 could be the target which it might try to achieve. And look at the 4-hour stochastic looking upwards, it's bullish. MACD is almost running parallel, RSI is near to oversold. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see, it is trying to take a support here at around 33,350 levels. So the bearish confirmation for the day is once it trades below 33,300. If you see it trading below 33,300, one can go short, and this time it is going to give you a sharper red candle. See the previous candle, 33,400 to closing towards 33,300, and now if it drops below 33,300 250 zone, we can expect a sharper drop, and this time it may try to go well below. Remember, my weekly target is towards 32,700 levels, which it might try to achieve. Now look at the daily stochastic is still in buy, and it is oversold here, and hence probably a bounce back is must. Also look at the MACD, it is white divergent, and from here the convergence should start, or else we can expect a sharp red candle, and from the tomorrow onwards we can expect a bounce back. Yes, a confirm bearish entry on US30 is only below 33,250 levels, below which one can expect a sharper drop, and till the time it remains about 32,250, it can again try to bounce back. And 33,000 is a good support on the downside, and below that it will try to break towards 32,800 700 zone. On the upside there is a definite resistance if it tries to. However, I find that this is going to be fairly difficult for it to cross back 34,000 again, but these are markets beyond you and me, and any long entry is recommended only beyond 33,650 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let me give you the trading levels for the. So where to go long? I'll recommend you to take a long entry only at 33,650 levels. If you see it trading above 33,650, rather you can take 33,660 itself. If you see it trading, the nearest resistance is at 33,700. Beyond this it will try to hit 33,800, and then 33,950 can also be expected if it continues to rise. 34,000 plus levels, I doubt that it might try to breach this, but these are markets, anything is possible. It can go beyond these levels also. On the downside, if you see it trading below 33,380, you can go short. There is a support, very strong support at 33,300, and if it breaks this, see, there is a milder bearishness below 33,380, and below that 33,300. Below that it will try to break strongly on the downside. If it breaks 33,300, we can expect a sharper drop, which might try to take it towards 33,150, 33,000, and then 32,800. In fact, it has the potential to go till towards 32,600 levels also. There could be a sharper drop if it continues to drop. If not today, then tomorrow. But yes, there could be a red candle today. If it drops below 33,200, 250 zone, then only take your positions accordingly. This is all from my side. Join my Telegram channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. My email ID and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the description of the channel, and you can be part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 9th of May. Thank you very much. Reach out to me for details.